we've left Vranga, or as the Swedish say, Vronja.
I've been naughty.
You're on the naughty step.
I'm on the naughty step.
Because I'm totally free.
How many pairs?
2 pairs. Best way to see the eclipse.
Does it work?
It looks bloody brilliant.
So we've been looking for Hugh Grant's house in Torikov.
A place called Helsingborg, which is really the entrance to the narrow piece of water that goes down to Copenhagen, where we're meeting the Baileys.
Woo! Bailey! So this is the really narrow bit, because this is Denmark with Helsingborg and the castle, and this is Helsingborg, which is Sweden. Bit different to the archipelagos. Terry's in his element here.
I love it. I love a big ferry.